hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am so excited for today's video because I have not filmed one of these videos in 2 years. It has been 2 years. That is 720 30 days. Is that what 365 is times by 2? Quick maths. Anyway, 730. Good maths. Anyway, I haven't filmed one of these in so long, and honestly, I am just so excited because I love this box so much. So, if you guys can't tell by the title, in today's video, we are going to be unboxing and taking a first look in the October Fresh and Flowers box from LUSH. And if you guys have been around for a while, you will know I used to subscribe to this box. It was so good, and honestly, I wish I could have kept this one going with the kitchen, but I had to make a sacrifice. I was getting so many products, it was getting a little bit kind of hard to use everything, so I had to get rid of the Fresh and Flowers. But honestly, this box is so good. Not only do you get a cute bouquet of little flowers inside, the freshness is just so good. You get a mask normally or a cleanser. It's very, what's the word, like pampering, I suppose. Like, it's a pamper box. It's so good. And LUSH basically got in contact with me and said, would you like to try the next three, so we're gonna get October, November and December, the next 3 boxes. And I was like, absolutely, because I know that you guys would absolutely love to see this, but also, when am I ever gonna say no? Like, I love LUSH so much and I'm just so grateful and thankful. So LUSH, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. I'm so appreciative. But yeah, let's dive in. I cannot wait to see what's inside. I have seen no spoilers, so I can't wait to see what's inside, and I have a feeling that this month is going to be cozy, it's going to be autumnal, so let's dive in without further ado and see what's inside the box. Okay, so opening this up together, this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, this looks absolutely beautiful. So on the top we have something that says Rose Wand Facial Garni Toner and Draw in Luck, Prosperity and Joy Fresh Face Mask. That is beautiful. I love the artwork on that. I can really appreciate little things like this, so I love the look of that. And on the inside of the box it says Spell Making Fresh Box, and it says the products in this box have been heavenly inspired by ingredients that have witchy benefits. Imagine we have 3 cackling witches gathered round a big cauldron in the fresh room on a full moon, creating your products and adding witchy herbs and potions to benefit skin while drawing in luck, prosperity and joy to the user. The symbols used are from, oh, this is where I'm going to pronounce it wrong, I'm so sorry. The symbols used are from Hecate, a goddess in Greek mythology who is associated with magic, witchcraft, the night, crossroads and the moon, with a scattering of gold from alchemy throughout the box. Okay, we have to see what's inside. I am such a October girl at heart. Like, I feel like I low-key should have been born in October because I am such an October baby. Like, I love it. Anyway, let's see what's inside. I'm already obsessed. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have a lot to get through, so let's dive in and see what we have. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So we have a load of these beautiful, I don't even know what this is. Like, what is this flower? I don't even know. It kind of looks like one of those oranges that you would eat. It's not even an orange. What is it? Is that actually what it is? There's something inside it. I don't even know. But we have some petals of some sort. So that is beautiful. I think underneath everything we actually have a list of products. So I'm going to grab that out 1 second. Okay, so we do have a list of ingredients and things. So the first thing we have in here, oh, well, that's clever. Okay, this is not a bouquet of flowers. This is actually a facial toner. LUSH honestly just baffle me every day. So on this one it says, embrace your witchiness and use this bundle to cast a cleansing, soothing spell for magic boosting, good luck, removing negativity and to let go of the past. Float in your bath or add to a bowl of hot water to create a facial steamer and reuse the water as a toner that keeps for up to a week in the fridge. And ingredients wise, we have got fresh ginger root, we've got fresh KP gooseberry, I'm not too sure what that is. We've also got red roses, we've got rosemary, we have sage. That is so clever. It smells herby, it smells earthy. Obviously you've got like a light rosy kind of smell, but it is heavily sort of rosemary scented, obviously. But this is so fun. I love when Lush actually find a way to kind of let you use the roses and the flowers as well. It used to be a lot that, I mean, it might have been just me, but I found that a lot of the flowers before were kind of, you put them in like a little vase or a little glass and they were really beautiful, but I love that we actually get to use this one in the water, and I definitely will as well. So that is really fun. The next item we have in this box is actually a bath bomb, and that is so exciting. This is the Lizard's Leg and Howlet's Wing bath bomb, and on the packet it says, if you're feeling achy, under the weather, or been out on the heath all night stirring up toil and trouble, you'll want something comforting in your bath. Warming mustard soothes as ginger invigorates for an energizing bathing spell. And ingredients wise, this one has got, let me have a look. We have got popping candy, ginger, we have mustard powder, patchouli oil, we've got labdanum resinoid, we have orris oil, we have sage oil, we have poppy seed oil. I'm scared this one is going to give very not melody-esque scent, but let's smell it together and see. Ooh! Okay, that's good. That's really good. It's definitely spicy, like it's got a very spicy, like warming undertone, but it's actually very like gentle at the same time. Almost imagine like, you know when you put things in yogurt, this sounds weird, you know you put things in yogurt and you smell the yogurt more so than what you've put in it, like the fruit or whatever, but it has like an essence. It's like that, but not yogurt and more spicy. Does that make sense? That is beautiful though. That actually smells delicious. I'm definitely going to use this one. Oh, that's so good. Wow. And he's a cute little lizard. Absolutely love. Delightful. The next item we have in the box is the face mask, and this is the Draw in Luck, Prosperity and Joy Fresh face mask, and on the front it says, cast a spell for soft and soothed skin with calming chamomile for prosperity, exfoliating fresh apple pulp for love, and cleansing basil for a happy home. This is beautiful. I love the packaging. The sticker is absolutely stunning, and in terms of ingredients in this one, we have got, let me see, kaolin, chamomile, we've also got turmeric, we've got horsetail herb, whatever that is, we also have apple pulp, we have maple syrup, we have lemon oil, neroli oil, orange oil, basil, fresh dill, we have mint, we have gardenia extract. I am so excited to see what this one smells like, but not only that, I'm excited to try it as well, but I am excited. Oh, she's liquidy. I can't even tip that. Like, that is going to tip over. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. Ooh, you can definitely smell the apple, but it also clearly is a more herby fragrance at the same time. That's really good. It smells like something a witch would put on their face, in a good way though. That smells really, really good actually. And again, I love the packaging of this. I cannot wait to try it. I love, love, love Lush face masks. I will scream it until the day I die. Honestly, these, so good. I have used them for years, honestly, and I go through phases between using the fresh ones and the potted ones. Obviously, you know, I am potted girly at heart. Like, the potted masks that last 3 months are my top tier, but these, so good. Highly would recommend. The next item we have in the box is actually some incense, which is quite funny because in the kitchen box we did also get incense. So it's a very incensey themed month, which I'm not complaining. I love a bit of incense. So this one is To Carry Your Wishes, and in terms of fragrance, I don't know whether we have, oh, we do have ingredients. So we have got sandalwood powder, rose petal powder, we've also got vanilla, we've got lemon, we've got geranium. That sounds delicious. Okay, let's open it up and give it a smell. Oh, these are black and sparkly. How fun. So basically this is a tin of sand and you get 2 cubes of the incense, which you light and blow out and then leave them in there, and then it avoids it like getting hot at the bottom. Oh my goodness, wow. Whoa, that's delicious. I don't know how to describe that at all. It almost smells like a perfume, like it's a very fragranced incense. It's really good though. It's almost sweet, kind of giving blackcurrant, like giving the comforter but not. That's really good though. Wow, I cannot wait to use that. I'm really loving incense, and these tins are just so adorable as well, so I definitely will use those. So that is the incense, and again, beautiful packaging, lovely labels. I honestly can't fault Lush's packaging, especially at the moment. They're really smashing it out, so I'm very excited to try those. The next item we have are, of course, the eye patches for the month, and I'm not gonna lie, again, I've mentioned this in so many videos, but eye patches like this make me on edge. I don't know why. As soon as I put this over my eyes, I feel like there is going to be some weird monster goblin and it's going to come and get me in the bath. So what I tend to do with these is I actually cut them in half and I use them as under eye patches, and I really love them, and it means you get more than one go out of them as well. So these are the Bring in Clarity, Clear Visions and Avoid Confusions eye patches. What a name. And in terms of ingredients, it says it has fennel seed infusion, we've got aloe gel, we have potato juice and fresh parsley, and I'm really intrigued to see what this smells like, but am I going to be able to open it up without getting it everywhere? That is the question. Okay, this smells very earthy, herbally. It's really good though. It's like a very fresh, clean kind of smell. And that's what it looks like, if you guys can see. So they're a very wibbly wobbly kind of texture, very thin. That smells really good though, actually. As always, I'm very excited to use it. So yeah, that smells really good actually, which is surprising because as soon as it has parsley in it, I'm like, it's gonna smell like a garden, but it doesn't. It smells good. Last but definitely not least, we have a cleanser for this month, and this is the Dreamwork Cleansing Roll. And this one says, magical calming lavender and dreamy fresh cherry juice lead you through hectate. Again, it's that hectate, I don't really know how you pronounce her name, sorry about that. Crossroads into the calm night. Pinch off your desired amount, mix with a little water to create a scrubby paste and sweep all over the skin in circular motions to cleanse and gently exfoliate. Rinse and wipe away with a flannel if you wish and reveal soft skin. And in terms of ingredients, we have got things like kaolin, cherry juice, we have lavender oil, neroli oil, chamomile oil, aloe gel, we have lavender absolute, we have also got brandy. How interesting. I am gonna have to smell this one. I love a good fresh cleanser. I have used them for, again, many a year, and I just feel like you can't fault them. They're just so fun, different. Oh, that's good. If you love a lavender and chamomile smell, that is literally what it smells like. Super fresh, very light, very subtle. I am a big fan of that. And this one was made by the ever so lovely Anna. So thank you, Anna, for my cleanser. And this is what it looks like. It's a really soft, squishy kind of cleanser. It's almost very moisturizing looking, like it's a really kind of squishy, like it's the opposite of dry. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like it's a very, dare I say, moist cleanser. So I'm really excited to try that one and see what it's like on the skin. My fingers are orange. That is concerning. What have I touched that's orange? The bath bomb. The bath bomb made me orange. So I'm just going to wipe that on my pajama bottoms and pretend like that didn't happen. So that is everything for October's Lush Fresh and Flowers box. I would love to know down below, what did you think of this month's box? Did you get it? Did you not get it? Have you ever had a Fresh and Flowers box? I would love to know down below. And again, I do just want to give a massive, massive thank you to Lush for sending this to me. Honestly, your kindness, your generosity, it never goes unnoticed over here, and I'm so, so thankful and appreciative, and I love you guys so incredibly much. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, I'm just very grateful. Also, if you guys didn't know, I do have a Lush affiliate link. It is down below. Currently, they have an incredible offer on where if you spend over £15 using my link, you actually receive a small Lord of Misrule, let's scream it from the rooftops, a Lord of Misrule shower gel. So exciting, and I believe it is only UK and 18 and above, but do please check the T's and C's. But that is everything for this video. I love you guys so incredibly much. If you haven't subscribed, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 13,000 of you. And yeah, that's everything. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.